How to draw Heat Miser, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing a circle in the center of the page for the nose. Next, right above the nose, we're going to draw two eyebrows. They will both be swirly and they will both be going up and down. If this is your first time watching Learn How to Draw Hub, then welcome to the channel, and if you want to join the Learn How to Draw Hub crew, then you can do so by hitting the subscribe button, which means you'll stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post almost every single day. Now we're going to draw the eyes. The eyes will be connected to the nose as well as the eyebrows. When we draw the eyes, we're going to use lines that will look similar to C's. On the inside of each eye, we're going to draw the pupil by drawing a small black circle with a white dot in the center. Nicely done! Now a little to the left, let's go ahead and draw the second eye of Heat Miser. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now right above the eyebrows, we're going to begin to draw the hairline by using a lot of sharp edges that will look similar to V's. On the right side of the page, where we just finished drawing the hairline, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the ear. We're not going to add any detail on the inside of the ear just yet. This is so that the sharpener does not bleed through. This will be done later on when we color. All done? Next up, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the face. We're going to begin right here on the left hand side with the top of the hair, and then we're going to connect all the way over to the ear that we just drew. Are you interested in Christmas drawing tutorials? If so, then I highly recommend you consider checking out our Christmas drawing tutorial playlist. Fantastic, so far this is coming along very well. Now connected to the nose and right below, we're going to begin to draw the mouth. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video as you need to. Next to the eyes, I'm going to add in simple curved lines that will look similar to C's to help add in a little bit of facial expression. Great job! Now we're going to begin to draw the top of the hair. We're going to begin on the left hand side and we're going to work our way all the way over to the right. The part about this that is really cool is that you can get as crazy with the hair as you would like. Should we also draw a snow miser? If so, like this video and comment down below so that we know it's a good idea to draw. Now directly below the head, we're going to draw a small circle and we'll use two lines to connect it to the head. Now we will draw two pieces of the jacket, one on the left and one on the right hand side, by using a lot of sharp edges. Both of these pieces will be connected to the circle that we previously drew together. And we could do the exact same thing but on the right hand side. Now we will use a shape similar to an L on the left hand side of the page to help make the left side of the jacket, connecting the top piece down to the bottom piece. Also on this side, we will draw the fist and then we will connect it to the jacket. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match our colors. Now to connect what we just drew to the jacket, we will use two simple lines. Just to take a quick look at what we have done so far, we have the head drawn as well as the left side of the jacket in hand. Now let's move over to the right hand side and let's begin to draw the right fist. Well done! Now let's go ahead and connect everything that we previously drew. Next, underneath the jacket, we're going to draw a lot of V-like shapes going all the way across. This will help make the shirt that is underneath the jacket. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We still have to draw the feet as well as the legs. For the first part of this step, we're going to begin by drawing the left foot. Fantastic! A little to the right, we're going to begin to draw the second foot. Now last but not least, we're going to draw the legs by connecting the shoes to the body up above. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I hope you had a great time learning how to draw Heat Miser, and I'm sure you did extremely well. I can't wait to draw with you next time, and I hope you comment down below who else you'd like to learn how to draw. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.